This banana leaf wrapped present is called mokba. It's a Lao food that takes all the signature aromatics and flavors and pairs it with fresh catfish. The unique part of this dish is that the dill gives it a different flavor profile compared to all other Lao dishes. After it's finished steaming, make sure you have freshly cooked sticky rice to eat with it. Sabaydi Pinong, hi fam, welcome back to Saeng's Kitchen. Today we are making and wrapping a lot of good ingredients to make a banana leaf parcel. We're going to be using lots of dill and then also lots of catfish. So both of these are going to come together and make a very delicious dish. This dish is called mokba and it pretty much uses a protein of some sort, usually a fish, and then you mix it up with a lot of different aromatics, dill, fish sauce, and it just comes together so well. Dip it with sticky rice and you have a whole Lao meal. So I'm just drooling already thinking about all the flavors and the dish that we're gonna eat at the end of this. So let's go ahead, you know what to say, and get cooking. The first step is preparing your catfish. I have catfish that was already pre-cut for me. Catfish. Did you know that Laos has giant catfish that can weigh up to 500 pounds? I do wonder if those can eat people. But they are now on the endangered species list, so we're not gonna eat those. We're gonna eat regular catfish, okay? So all I'm gonna do is cut them into smaller pieces, about 1-inch sizes. Now let's put the fish to the side and grab your mortar and pestle. So I had sticky rice soaking overnight to create the paste that I'm gonna be making for you all. Sticky rice paste, think of this as our binder in a lot of foods. So like think of cornstarch or even flour. All those ingredients help bind foods together. But for Lao people, we crush up sticky rice and then that's our binder. Binder, did I say it enough? Binder. So go ahead and grab the soaked sticky rice and put it into your mortar and pestle. And then you want to pound this until it's finely ground up. And so what I like to do is add actually 2 tablespoons of water, and that helps it continue to get into a nice paste for the catfish. Once you have the rice paste done, we're gonna chop up some lemongrass, coriander root, galangal, bird-eye chili, and then shallots. Then go ahead and put all of this into the mortar and pestle and also pound this until it becomes a fine paste. And if you want to speed up this process, you can put it in a blender and just blend it and then go ahead and bring it back into the mortar and pestle and do the last pounding in it. Now we have this fine rice mixture. It looks like this. Go ahead and add the badak. I add about 2 tablespoons and then the fish sauce and then lastly MSG and then mix it well. Now let's put the rice mixture to the side and then we want to cut up our green onions, our lime leaves, and then lastly our dill. Dill. So dill is part of the celery family, but do not get it confused with fennel. Those are 2 separate things. Lao people like to put it in their mok or their stews. So those are the 2 top Lao dishes I'd say that dill is used in. Now in a large bowl, go ahead and put all the fish pieces right in there. And then you're gonna put the rice paste right on top and then make sure it's thoroughly mixed with the fish. And then you can top it with the dill and other herbs that we just chopped up and then carefully mix it. Let's go ahead and grab 1 banana leaf and put it on the table. And then grab a second one and also put it right on top. And then you're gonna grab some of that catfish mixture, put it right into the middle. And then first you're gonna go ahead and fold it lengthwise and then turn 90 degrees. And then you're gonna start with one end and start closing it on one end. And you're gonna see, just like how I'm doing it right now, that it's gonna create different creases. And you're gonna do the same thing on the next end. And essentially, you should be getting a nice little package that you're gonna use a skewer to poke through the top to keep it closed. All right, so all our packages are nicely wrapped. Let's go ahead and boil some water and you can put everything in the steamer. And so once the water is boiling, go ahead and cook the parcels for about 30 minutes and it should be done. The mukbang is done and we're gonna come eat with you. Okay, let's take a look at the mok that we worked so hard on. I can smell all those aromatics just like infused into the fish, and it looks so good. So I have my big ball of sticky rice, and let's take a dip. Dip, dip, dip it low. The catfish just melts into your mouth with all those aromatics and the fish sauce. This is good. This is real good. I have like 7 more parcels left, and they're all gonna go in my tummy. Enjoy. I hope you all enjoyed learning how to make mukbang. If you have any left, go ahead and put that in the fridge, and it should last for about 3 to 4 days. And me and Kalabaw are just gonna go chill and eat more mukbang. We'll catch you all later on Saeng's Kitchen. Bye. Right here. Sit. Sit. Yes. Good girl. Can you stay? Stay. Good girl. Do you want some dill? You're looking at the dill. She's looking at the dill. Dill. See Kalabaw through the dill. Okay. Stay. Okay. You tell me if you like dill. Okay. Stay. There you go. Kalabaw, do you like the dill?